guys, welcome back. Currently been drilling these for the last whole day basically. Solid steel. Gonna be mounting a piece of strut here and then putting 4 rigid 2-inch pipes up the side of this water tower. So as you can see, currently like 10 stories high. I don't know how to count stories, but super high. I'll try to show you the stairs over there in a second, but I've been drilling holes through this all day, stepping it up, small, bigger, and then big one. So I'm gonna go back down now and then do something else for the rest of the day or leave. So I will show you something in a second. Figured I'd get a little video clip while I'm up here. As you can see, there's another cell phone tower or something right there. But this is how high I am, so yeet. And then there is, oh, I just stabbed my hand. There's one more layer above me. And the edge of the water tower is right there. So anyways, good times. It's pretty sketchy. Some of these don't have the cross members, so that's good. And some of these are like super squishy, so good times. Got something in my hand right here. So anyways, just thought I'd make a video while I was up here. So I'll do a video tomorrow if I'm on top of the tower. But anyways, going down, call my coworker, bring up the bucket or whatever, rope it down. So anyways, hope that's cool for you guys. Risking my life out here, no big deal. All right, so my coworker's bringing the bucket up here. I don't want to drop my phone, lol. So got all the pipe right there, and then there's this massive view which looks awesome. So yeet. At least I don't have to go up that thing, dude. Holy. Anyways, here comes the rope, guys. I'm excited to go down. Just gonna throw my tool bag in this 5-gallon bucket and then put my gloves on and climb down this ladder. So good times, y'all. Good times.
That's what we're gonna be.
Is that Clay?
I need to
Here. You're finishing right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just a little bit. That's what we use. Paint behind the cage.
Right?
Get in your cage, boy.
Got some views on views. Look at that. Looks good. I like it. So here's where I was working, near the top almost. So about right there. So good times. I just found out it's prevailing wage, so hopefully I'll be making some bank. Yeet. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Just sat down for the first time. Well, not sat down, but I'm laying down for the first time since 5:30 this morning, and it's now 9:43. So that's like 17 hours. It's been an extremely busy day, so sorry these videos are coming out late, but thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. Maybe ring the notification bell for when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I can do live streams again on mobile, so the channel will be getting better once I hit 1,000 subscribers. But if I do a desktop stream, you'll be notified, or if you want to know when I upload new videos. But it's every day pretty much, so, or every weekday. So thanks for all the support, guys. If you want to check out the social medias, check out down below in the description. I'd appreciate that as well. Appreciate it also if you leave a comment. Thanks everyone who left a comment, asked me some questions. I appreciate it. Happy to help you guys out. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed the video. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.